Good morning and welcome to this 5-minute gentle stretch to wake up your body. This routine will help you to feel more open, more energized and ready to start your day. Let's begin in a comfortable seated position with legs crossed. From here, gently drop your chin down toward your chest. Begin to make slow half circles with the head, moving from the right side across to the left. Keep the movement soft and easy here. No rush, no force, just easing into the neck and releasing any tension through the upper shoulders. Let the right hand relax down beside you. Bring the left hand lightly to the top of the head, close to the ear, and gently guide the left ear toward the left shoulder. Keep the chest open and the opposite shoulder heavy. Take it to the other side. Left hand relax down, right hand comes to the head, and gently draw the right ear toward the right shoulder. Slowly return to center. Now keep the right leg slightly in front of the left. If you would like a deeper option, you can bring the right ankle on top of the left. Sit tall first, lengthening through the spine. Begin to walk the hands forward and fold over the legs. Only go as far as feels comfortable for your body today. Let the shoulders soften. Let the neck relax. Slowly begin to roll yourself back up. Place the right hand out to the right side, the left arm up and over, reaching into a gentle side bend toward the right. And then switch side. Keep the chest softly open and the neck relaxed. Keep both sitting bones grounded as much as you can. Take one more slow breath here, then return to center. Now change the crossing of the legs so the left leg is slightly in front. Sit nice and tall first, then slowly walk the hands forward and fold over the legs. For a stronger variation, you can place the left ankle on top of the right. Soft shoulders, soft jaw. Stay here for one more inhale and exhale. Rise back up. Bring the left hand down beside you and reach the right arm up and over. Switch side and breathe deeply here. Create space all along the side body. Keep the movement long and spacious rather than heavy. One more calm breath in and out, then return to the center. Come onto hands and knees. Bring the big toes toward each other, knees as wide or as narrow as feels comfortable, and sink the hips back into child's pose. Let the forehead rest down if that feels good. Allow the whole body to soften here. And curl your hands over toward the right side of the mat. Sink the hips back and feel that deep stretch along the left side of your back and waist. Breathe into that space. Then slowly walk the hands back through center. Take them over to the left side now. Left palm presses into the mat, right palm comes on top. Soft breath in and out. From here, come forward onto hands and knees. Cat pose as you exhale and cow pose as you inhale. Inhale to open through the front of the body. Exhale to round and release through the back of the body. Take one more gentle round at your own pace. From here, tuck the toes under and slowly lift the hips up and back into downward dog. Start to bend one knee and then the other, gently pedaling the legs. Feel the stretch through the backs of the legs, the calves, and the spine. Then slowly lower the knees down to the mat or come to a comfortable seated position to finish. Thank you for joining today, and if you enjoyed this routine, you can find more on this page.